Order! Every day they are coming for this. Order! Let's be calm and start our meeting. Look, we have gathered here to discuss the challenges we are facing with our dealings with the financial institutions. We have tried to speak to the management of these institutions, but it seems they are not prepared to solve our complaint. But you see, unfortunately, we have in our midst 2 lawyers to help us solve our problem.
What are they going to do?
No, maybe we should organize a press conference.
Yes, press conference.
No. Maybe we need to organize a demonstration. Why not demonstration?
Okay. But before we take any action, let us listen to the lawyers who are financial experts to provide advice and guidance so we don't run into more troubles.
So, my dear lawyers, you are welcome. As you are aware, all of us here have an issue with one financial institution or the other.
Yes.
And we need help.
Yes. First of all, let me explain that every organization or company has a regulatory authority. These regulatory authorities are there to make sure that companies do not take their customers or clients for granted. If you have any complaint or you have any issue with any institution, you must first find out who its regulatory authority is so that you can lodge your complaint. Yes, Mr. Obeng?
Yes, Papa Lawyer. Do you mean the microfinance companies, the savings and loans companies, and those who collect susu all have regulatory authorities that license and supervise the activities?
Yes, and you can also lodge a complaint if the institution fails to address your concerns and challenges.
Mama Lawyer, I beg you, what are the names of these regulatory authorities and where can we find them?
If your issues have to do with banks, savings and loans, microfinance, financial houses, then you can contact Bank of Ghana. But if it has to do with insurance, then you go to the National Insurance Commission.
We didn't know this.
Now I know.
But what of the investment companies? Bank of Ghana once said they were not in charge of those companies.
Yes, that is correct. For investment companies, you must contact the Securities and Exchange Commission.
Papa Lawyer, my uncle has been complaining about his pension benefits. Where will he take his issues to?
With issues relating to pensions, you must contact the National Pensions Regulatory Authority. That's all.
Yes, you heard it. If you have challenges with your financial institution regarding banks, savings and loans companies, licenses to enterprises, rural and community banks, finance houses, please contact
Bank of Ghana.
And if it has to do with insurance, contact
Insurance Commission.
For investment companies, contact
Securities and Exchange Commission.
Pension-related issues, please contact
National Pensions Regulatory Authority.
And if it has to do with credit unions, contact
Bank of Ghana.
How do you present your complaint?
The first step is to complain to the management of your financial institution. Your complaint should be resolved within a maximum period of 30 days. If you feel that your complaint has not been dealt with to your satisfaction, then complain to the regulator.
How to present your complaint to the regulatory authority?
Step 1. Write a formal letter or send an email addressed to the head office of the regulatory authority, or call on phone or personally at the offices of the authority after the 30 days.
Step 2. Your letter, email, phone call, etc. should state briefly the reason for the complaint.
Step 3. Add copies of relevant supporting documents.
Step 4. If the complainant is not satisfied with the resolution of the complaint by the regulatory authority, he or she can proceed to the law courts for redress.
This message was brought to you by the Government of Ghana.